She's right there. She's dirty as fuck. My rims are completely destroyed right now. Guess what, guys? I'm back, and I'm gonna be back way better than ever. Getting my car back today. I'm gonna see if I could record it. If not, I'll show you guys the car. Well, the engine. I'm gonna be getting a new engine basically. My engine exploded in my Kia, so I got a recall done to it, so I'm gonna get a free engine. But yeah, I'll catch you guys once I get the car. Pulling up right now. Here's the dealership. They gave me a Kia Sorento for a free loaner. It was pretty cool. Wastes a ton of gas, honestly. Yo, look who it is. She's right there. She's dirty as fuck. Oh, yes, sir. Go inside, do the paperwork, but damn, I missed her. She's looking mean as fuck. Look, it's splitter all broken and everything, but fuck it. Here's the whip. Still the same bad bitch. Bigfoot.
When she's walking across a sandbar and spreads her arms out and looks at the camera. Frame 352.
Still looking, she's dirty as shit, and there you can see all the oil that jumped on the back when the fucking engine blew. All the oil, like, vapors went up. But damn, man, I haven't had my car in a minute, yo. Oh, I missed it. Feels good though to have my car back. Right now, I'll just show you guys the new K5 right here. It's pretty clean. Looks nice. Damn. But which one's this? There's another one right here. This is nice though. This is a GT line. I'm not sure. I don't know anything about these, but honestly, I'd rather just get the newest Stinger that's coming out. What's this one? I'm assuming this is base LX5, and this is the probably top of the line one. It's crazy having the car back. Car does not blow cold though. I don't know what's the dealio with that, but 83,000 miles, whole new engine. Let's see where this new engine takes me. Car's dirty, so I'm gonna go take it to wash, but first I need to drop this one home because she doesn't want to be with me anymore. I don't know why, but yeah. Happy I got the car back. I was missing it like crazy. Honestly feels like I have a new car, but damn, man. Look at the back window. It's like brown.
What is that?
Crazy. Don't ignore all this stuff right here. But yeah. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna end up doing this canyon run. I didn't get to show you guys much about the engine and what was done to it because I really just want to see it myself before I say anything about it. I want to make sure the engine works properly, that everything's fine. But honestly, I'm thankful I have my car back. It's been a month since I haven't had it, and I was in a free rental, which was a Kia Sorento. That car is nice, but it's nothing compared to mine. But one thing I definitely say, if your engine blows, I highly recommend you take everything out. If you have any modifications in the engine bay, you remove everything, even all the way up to, I would say, your cats, because honestly it took a week of inspection because they're trying to find any like little thing that they could so that they could revoke or void my warranty. But that's one thing I'd highly recommend doing. Another thing would be prepared to not have your car for a while. Kia offers free rentals when you have that warranty for that recall, and towing as well. But one thing for sure, and they don't tell you this, is your Kia has a free towing if your car breaks down, but it says up to if your car has 50,000 miles and below. So in my case, my car has 83,000 miles at the time of the incident, which was last month. And when I called the towing company, they told me they're gonna charge me $120 and that it's not covered because I exceeded that 50,000 mile coverage. So I told them, you know, that's not fair. you know, my car broke down, it's 83,000 miles and it's a recall. Like, how should I be, you know, paying for something that's not my fault, you know? And they didn't tell me anything until I spoke with one of the administrators that helped me out with my vehicle, and he told me that whatever they're telling me was false and my car should be covered because of the recall. Therefore, all you need is a receipt of your towing, and they'll refund your money after everything's cleared, after they make sure that your car is under recall warranty and there's no issues on your behalf. Then you're cleared. So those are a couple things I'd recommend. But man, look at the scenery, this thing's crazy. And we're gonna end up going to a little waterfall. Oh damn, man, these roads are tight. I'm freaking scared, honestly. My rims are completely destroyed right now from when my engine blew. I straight up went to the side of the freeway, and the side of the freeway had like a little like lip on the side to prevent your car, I guess, from rolling out onto the dirt. And I hit that with my rims because I have low profile rims and they're stretched, so my whole rim got freaking destroyed, and it literally went from black to freaking almost, yeah, chrome basically. Like, it's straight shining like crazy. It looks like I have the lip around the rim chromed out. But I ordered some new rims, and these ones are gonna be some monsters. If you guys follow my Instagram, you guys would have seen how big those tires are. I haven't showed you guys what kind of rims I got yet because it's a little bit of a surprise. But they're pretty wide. They're thick as this girl's size. So, you know, I really hope the fitment on them is good, and they look very, very good on my car. But man, look at this freaking view. This is crazy. Look at that lift. Yo. Damn. I just washed the car because it was dirty. But look at that. Imagine my car was this low. Yo, that would be so sick. What do you guys think? Looking clean or what? Little thumbnail right here. This got to be the thumbnail right here. Damn. Honestly, I miss the car so much. It looks so beautiful. Oh, I miss the car so much. All right, check you guys. So we're gonna enjoy this hike. I just want to tell you guys, thank you guys so much for subscribing. Those people that did, you know, thank you guys so much, and thank you for taking your time out of your day to click this video and watch it. You know, that takes me a long way. I just want to tell you guys that, and I'd appreciate it if you guys could like, comment, especially leave anything, a fire emoji, cheese emoji, I don't know, peach emoji, whatever you guys want to comment, you know, I'm appreciated for. What else? Yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy your guys' day, whatever you guys are doing, you know, stay safe, you know, and rise from your darkest past. All right, hope you guys enjoy the view. Like an hour out for no water. Like
20 minutes.
What am I gonna swim in the freaking dry dirt right there or what? Come on. Submit your guys' applications if you guys like actually adventure and you guys know some spots, because this chick does not. Oh, nah, I'm out of here. That could be a cougar's fucking nest. Look at that. Look at that. Yo, imagine there's a cougar in there.
Listen.
Dude, I don't know if the camera picks this up, but damn.
Let me see. Nah.
Alright, you guys, so it's the next day. I didn't show you guys the car's engine like I said I would in the video, because I did end up going for a canyon run. I wanted to test out the car, but right now I'm gonna take the chance and show you guys. So if you guys stayed this far, you guys are gonna be able to see my new engine, the way it looks inside the engine bay, because a lot of you guys want to see how, you know, what mods I have. So right now, at the moment, I have 0 mods in the engine, except for probably adjustable resonator that honestly I think broke after the rod bearing blew. I think it broke my the mechanical issues on it, but yeah. So here's the babe. Man, she's looking beautiful. I know you guys want to hear it start, so here we go. do still have my I put my cats back on with the original resonator, and I just have like 8-inch resonators in the back with my adjustable resonator that's open right now. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the engine bay. Let me just close. Let me turn off the car. Okay. Alright. Look at this hood, man. Glistening. Oh, and look at this shit. If you guys could comment what's a way I could fix that. I cracked my hood. Like literally like when I was taking all of my mods off. I was trying to close my hood and I couldn't, and there's like this stupid design on this hood. If you look up here, one of these sticks that are up here hit it and caused the hood to crack when I was trying to close my hood. But yeah, here's my current mod list, 0. But here's my new engine. Let me just alright. Okay. There we go. So brand new engine. Looks like they didn't use a cone. Are you serious? Everything's brand new. The whole engine block's brand new. Turbo as well. The dude was like, hey dude, your car's pretty sick and your car has a lot of miles and your turbo wasn't broken or anything, so I just gave you a brand new turbo. I was like, yo, thank you so much, you know, like I appreciate that, because I did want to stuff my turbo, basically make the turbines bigger. But here is my original, not my original downpipe, but my CPE downpipe that I purchased, and he put it back on. So I do have the bell mouth 4-inch downpipe, if you guys didn't know that. Turbo's brand new, everything from the top's brand new, but everything else obviously is going to be original. Like my old air box, everything is the previous. But one thing that I was like, are you serious? They didn't change my freaking coolant, or he did change it but he didn't fill it. So that's what's confusing me. Like, why would you not fill, you know, my coolant? So now I have to put more coolant, which I do have some. But yeah, so there's the car, guys. There's the new engine like you guys wanted to see, obviously, since you guys clicked the video. I appreciate it. I did tell you guys earlier, thank you guys so much, and still thank you guys so much. That was the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you smash that like button, hit that subscribe button as well. Everything helps. Leave a comment, cheese emoji like I said, peach emoji, anything you guys want to leave. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. I'm gonna be bringing out a lot of videos for you guys. All right, peace. Bye.